How fast can your voice move without losing accuracy or clarity? When you try to sing fast scales, do all the notes start to smear together almost like you are finger painting? Or do the notes become overly separated by audible H sounds, as though you were taking tiny fingernail scissors to the breath line? In this workout, we will explore how to avoid both extremes by using diction tools that can help your scales and agile passages become not only faster, but cleaner and clearer as they speed up. Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your COVO vocal exercise routine of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I'm the founder of COVO, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. This is the last week of Agility Month at COVO, and one of the coordination skills that we've been exploring in our live vocal workouts this month is how to articulate fast notes cleanly. Now, a lot of singers think that their voices just don't move, but for most of those folks, the missing piece is not talent or some sort of natural agility. It's practice strategies that help the voice learn to coordinate rapid but precise note changes. Sometimes when syllables are added to a fast, melismatic passage, they can act almost like metering lights at a freeway entrance on-ramp, helping to organize the timing and the coordination of each individual car, of each individual note, so that fast passages stay clean and rhythmically precise instead of creating a pileup on the freeway, all those notes just smearing together. So in our first exercise, we will try 3 different metering lights, 3 different sets of syllables that can help the body first learn and eventually speed up this special coordination. We're going to sing 5-tone scales. The first 2 are going to be broken in half. And then we will sing 2 scales that are complete. And today, we are not going to start slow and speed up the way we often do. We're going to start with a specific agility tempo. Quarter note equals 96. And this tempo should feel slightly challenging unless you are already fairly advanced in your vocal agility skills. So I'm going to leave this clicking while we sing. Let's try the first set of syllables, da-ba-da, like this. Da-ba-da-ba-da, 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 da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da, da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Next, let's try the second set of syllables, tiki-tiki. Please be sure not to smile as you sing these syllables. Keep them rounded. Here we go. Tiki-tiki-ta, 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 tiki-tiki-tiki-tiki-ta, tiki-tiki-tiki-tiki-ta. So finally, let's try a repeated closed mouth hum, with each hum starting with the tiniest H sound. But please be careful with this one. Don't overdo the H. Don't sing this too loudly. It's going to feel almost like you're giggling under your breath. Here we go. That one is the hardest, but also potentially the most helpful if you can master it. Let's try it again. Now, as we move up in pitch, you can choose your favorite syllables and use just those. Dabba dabba da, dabba dabba da, dabba dabba da, dabba dabba da, dabba 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 da, dabba 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 da. Tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, tiki 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 ta, tiki 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 ta. Dabba dabba da, dabba dabba da, dabba dabba da, dabba dabba da, dabba 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 da, dabba 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 da. Tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, tiki 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 ta, tiki 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 ta. Now, as we come back down, I challenge you to use the syllables only half the time and sing a single vowel of your choice on the other half, like this. First with syllables, dabba dabba da, dabba dabba da. Then without, ah, ah. Then maybe you go back to syllables, dabba 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 da, ah. Okay, try a few of those. Oop, lost my metronome. Dabba dabba da, dabba dabba da, ah, ah, dabba 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 da, ah. Tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, ah, ah, tiki 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 ta, ah. Dabba dabba da, dabba dabba da, ah, ah, dabba 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 da, ah. Tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, ah, ah, tiki 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 ta, ah. And those are metering lights. In the next exercise, the scales move around a bit just for fun and for a bit more of a challenge. Listen to the pattern. So let's try that slowly once. You can use the syllables you preferred from the prior exercise, or you can try it on a single vowel. Slowly first. Dabba dabba da, 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 dabba 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 da. Now we'll get back to quarter note equals 96. As in the prior exercise, you can use your chosen syllables the whole time, part of the time, or not at all. Just sing on a single vowel if you can keep the note changes clean and precise. I will model a bit of everything. Here we go. Dabba dabba da, 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 dabba 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 da. Tiki tiki ta, 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 tiki tiki ta. Dabba dabba da, dabba dabba da, ah. you've been using syllables the whole time, just once, try it on a single vowel of your choice. E, 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 e. One more. For our final exercise, we will sing a basic scale, a 5-9. That is a 5-tone scale, followed by a 9-tone scale. In this exercise, we will gradually wean ourselves off the syllables to see if our speed and clarity will remain even without the metering lights. So we're going to slow this down just a touch. Let's sing it with a syllable every note, which is the top line, about like this. Dubba 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 dubba. Again. Dubba 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 dubba. Now let's try this with a syllable every other note. This is the second line down. You might feel a little teeny tiny H sound on the notes that don't have a syllable. Make sure that it stays teeny tiny. Second line. Let's try that again. Now, let's try a syllable every 4 notes. That is reading the third line down. Again, third line down. Finally, let's take away all the syllables and just sing on a vowel of your choice. I'm going to use the E vowel for the 5-tone scale and then A for the rest. Here we go. E, A. Try that again. E, A. Now, as we go on in pitch, you can pick your level of syllables. The more advanced you are, the fewer syllables you will use. And if you're new to this vocal agility stuff, dubba dubba da, keep the syllables rolling. Here we go. Dubba 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 da. Dubba 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 da. Try a couple on your own. See how far you got. I won't sing, I'll still accompany. Try as few syllables as you think you can get away with. Here you go. Try again. A cappella, here you go. And one last time together. Well done. So I hope that this workout showed you how syllables can function almost like training wheels for fast scales and passages, helping the voice to coordinate clean, precise note changes so that over time you can maintain that same clarity and balance even without the syllables, without the training wheels. If you have enjoyed this exercise routine, we've got more for you. Every week we host 2 30-minute live vocal workouts on Zoom, and we would love to have you join us. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet every Monday and Thursday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific Time, and the details on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any new Kovo warm-up routines, you can subscribe to this channel or use the link below to have each new vocal exercise routine of the week delivered directly to your email inbox. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.